Hi students, welcome to NSR ITI NEET Academy. This is the 8th session of trigonometry for junior inter students. So in this session also we are going to discuss again some more 2 marks questions. So next question number in 8th one, 4th question. So in 8th question, 4th bit, sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. So apply here formula, we have a formula sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So this formula apply here. Sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degrees. So is equal to, so this is sin square A minus sin square B, right? Sin A plus B 82.5 plus 22.5 into sin A minus B 82.5 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. Now is equal to sin 82, 22, 104 plus 1, 105. Sin 105 degrees into sin 82 minus 22, 60. So 82.5 minus 22.5 equal to 60 degrees. So we don't have sin 105 value. So 105 write it as 90 plus 15 into sin 60. So sin 90 plus theta cos theta. So cos 15 into sin 60. So cos 15 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 multiply here, root 3 into root 3 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 2 is a 4, 4 root 2. So sin square 82.5 degrees minus sin square 22.5 degree value is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. So next question number 5. So here also apply same formula, sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So write sin square pi by 8 plus A by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus A by 2 equal to. So sin square, this is total A and this one is B. So substitute here. So sin A plus B pi by 8 plus A by 2 plus pi by 8 minus A by 2. So this is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Pi by 8 plus A by 2 minus, so minus pi by 8, so minus of this value, minus into minus plus A by 2. Now here plus A by 2 minus A by 2 cancel, and in this pi by 8 cancel, plus pi by 8 minus pi by 8. Now sin pi by 8 plus pi by 8, and here sin A by 2 plus A by 2. So sin, here LCM is 8, pi plus pi 2 pi by 8 into here sin A plus A 2A, LCM is 2. Now cancel here, 2 4 is 8 and here 2 cancel, we get sin pi by 4 into sin A. 2 get cancelled, we get sin A. So sin pi by 4 means sin 45. So sin 45 value 1 by root 2 into sin A. So sin square pi by 8 plus a by 2 into minus sin square pi by 8 minus a by 2 value is 1 by root 2 sin A. So next question number 9, prove that cos 340 into cos 40 plus sin 200 into sin 140 equal to 1 by 2. So we have to prove this value is equal to 1 by 2. Now simplify it. Cos 340 into cos 40 plus sin 200 into sin 140 equal to, so cos 340 we can write as cos 360 minus 20. So 360 minus 20, 340 into cos 40. Next plus sin 200, it is near to 180. So sin 200, write it as 180 plus 20. 180 plus 20, 200. So sin 140 also near to 180, write it as 180 minus 40. So sin 200 we can written as 180 plus 20 and sin 140 written as 180 minus 40. So cos 360 minus theta is in 4th quadrant. So we get here cos 20. In 4th cos positive. Cos 20 into cos 40, next sin 180 plus theta. Sin 180 plus theta in 3rd quadrant, in 3rd quadrant sin negative. So write here sin 20. 180 minus theta is in 2nd quadrant, in 2nd sin positive, write here sin 40. So we get here cos 20 cos 40 minus sin 20 sin 40 is in the form of cos A plus B formula. Cos A plus B. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here apply formula cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Angle A angle equal and here B equal. So apply this formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B we can write as cos A plus B means cos of 20 plus 40. So 20 plus 40 equal to 60, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2. So this value is equal to 1 by 2, hence proved. So next question number in 10th question first bit, prove that sin 750 into cos 480 and cos 120 into cos 60 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So before that you remember this values, pi means 180 degrees and 2 pi means 360 degrees, 3 pi means 3 into 180, 540 and 4 pi 180 into 4, 720 and 5 pi 180 into 5, 900 and 6 pi 180 into 6, 1080. So you remember these values. If you know these values, you can easily find out this type of questions. Okay na? So pi is equal to 180 degrees, 2 pi equal to 360 and 3 pi 540, 4 pi 720. 4 pi means we can write it as 2 into 2 pi means 2 into 360. Here also 3 into 360. So these are even numbers and these are odd numbers. So the value will change. Okay na? So you remember up to pi to 6 pi values. Now write sin 720, sin 750 into cos 480 plus cos 120 into cos 60 equal. So cos 750 we can write as it is near to 720. So write it as 720 plus 30 into cos 480. 480 it is near to 540. We can write as 540 minus 60 plus cos 120 and cos 60. So sin 720 plus 30 we can write as sin 720 means 4 pi plus 30 and cos 540 means 3 pi minus 60 plus cos 120 into cos 60. So 4 pi we can written as 2 into 2 pi 360 sin 360 plus theta in first coordinate. So here we get sin 30 into here cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is in second coordinate, so it is negative here minus cos 60. Next minus cos 120 value minus 1 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2. Now sin 30 value 1 by 2 into here cos 60 value minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So now minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by LCM 4. So minus 2 by 4 we get minus 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So this is our value, hence proved. So next in 10th one bit, second bit and third bit. So here cos 100 cos 40 plus sin 100 into sin 40. So it is very simple. Apply here cos A minus B formula. So cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this is the formula. So in our question also in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos 100 into cos 40 plus sin 100 into sin 40. It can written as cos of 100 minus 40. So cos 100 minus 40 is 60. So cos 60 value 1 by 2. So cos 100 cos 40 plus sin 100 sin 40 value is 1 by 2. Next question number 3. So sin 1140 into cos 390 minus cos 780 into sin 750. So it can be written as sin 1140. It is near to 1080. So we can written as sin 6 pi 1080 plus 60 1140. So 6 pi plus 60. Next 390 we can written as 360 plus 30. Next minus here cos 780 we can write as cos 780 is near to 720. So 4 pi plus 60 and this one also sin 4 pi plus 30. 720 plus 30 750, 720 plus 60 is 780. Now sin 6 pi means 3 into 2 pi, that is 360. Sin 360 plus theta. Sin 360 plus theta is in first coordinate. So sin 360 plus theta sin theta. So here sin 60 into cos 360 plus theta. So cos 30. Here also 4 pi we can write as 2 into 2 pi. So here also 360 plus theta cos 60, and this is sin 30. So sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 30 value also root 3 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2 and sin 30 value also 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 to the 4 minus 1 into 1, 1, 2 to the 4. Now 3 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, it is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of third bit is 1 by 2. So next question number 11, prove that cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155 is equal to 0. So cos 35 plus cos 85 plus cos 155. So we don't have here values of cos 35, 85 and 155. So cos 35 plus cos 85, apply here formula cos C plus cos D. So apply formula here cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D plus cos 155. So here apply formula cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 equal to 2 cos 85 plus 35 120 by 2 into cos 35 minus 85 minus 50 by 2 plus cos 155. So cos 155 near to cos 180, so we can written as 180 minus 25. Now 2 into cos 120 by 2, so it is 120 by 2 is 60. Next cos of minus 25 plus cos 180 minus 25. So cos 60 value 1 by 2 into cos of minus theta cos theta plus. So cos 180 minus theta, so 180 minus theta in second coordinate, so second coordinate cos negative, right, minus cos 25. Now 2 get cancel, so here get 1 into cos 25 minus cos 25. So plus cos 25 minus cos 25 cancel, so we get 0, hence proved. So next question number 2, cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175 equal to 0. So this is also very important. So here also apply same formula cos 55 cos 65 cos 175. So cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, 55 plus 60 by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, 55 minus 65 by 2 plus cos 175. So cos 175 near to 180, so it can written as 180 minus 5. 180 minus 5, 175. Now 2 cos 55 plus 65, 120, 120 by 2 into cos 55 minus 65 minus 10 by 2 minus cos 180 minus theta is in second coordinate, so cos negative, so minus cos phi. So 120 by 260, 2 into cos 60 and minus 10 by 2 minus 5 minus cos phi. So 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 cos of minus theta cos theta minus cos phi. So 2 to get cancel, we get cos phi minus cos phi. So plus minus cos phi cancel, we get 0. Hence proved. So next question number 3, prove that cos 42, cos 78, cos 162 equal to 0. So here also apply same formula, cos 42 plus cos 78 plus cos 162. So apply cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus cos 162, it is near to 180, we can write as cos 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18, 162. So 2 cos 42 plus 78, 120. So 120 by 2 into cos 42 minus 78. 42 minus 78, 262, 36 minus 36 by 2 minus cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta, that is cos 80. So 120 by 2 cos 60 and here cos of minus 18 minus cos 18. So 2 into cos 60 value 1 by 2 cos of minus theta cos theta and minus cos 18. So 2 to get cancel, we get cos 18 minus cos 18. So plus cos 18 minus cos 18 get cancel, we get 0. Hence proved. So next question number 12. So cot pi by 20, 3 pi by 20, 5 pi by 20, 7 pi by 20 and 9 pi by 20 is equal to 1. So this is also very important question. Right. Cot pi by 20 into cot 3 pi by 20 into cot 5 pi by 20 and cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20 equal to. So pi means here 180, 180 by 20, 9. So cot 9, first one is cot 9 degrees. Next 9 3 is 27, cot 27. Pi by 29, 9 3 is 27. Next 9 5 is 45, cot 45. Next 9 7 is 63. Next 9 9 is 81, cot 81. So this is cot 63. So we don't know the value of cot 9, cot 27, cot 63 and cos 81, but we know the value of cot 45, that is 1. So write here cot 9 into cot 27 into cot 45 value 1 into. So cot 63 and cot 81 both are near to 90. Cot 63 we can write as 90 minus 27. And cot 81 we can write as 90 minus 9. So cot 9 into cot 27, so into 1, so value cannot change. Cot 90 minus theta tan theta, so write here tan 27 and here tan 9. So tan 9 cot 9 and tan 27 cot 27 write together, so we get tan 9 into cot 9 into tan 27 into cot 27. So tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. So tan 90 into cot 9 is equal to 1 into here also tan theta into cot theta equal to 1, tan 27 into cot 27 1. So 1 into 1 equal to 1. So hence proved. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.